case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
A riveting legal battle unfolded in 1973 in the Minnesota Supreme Court, Zerby v. Warren. The case centered around a hotly contested principle. If an individual breaks a state law by selling hazardous materials to minors, they are unequivocally responsible for any resulting damage. This legal ordeal stemmed from a tragedy involving young Stephen J. Zerby, a 14-year-old Austin, Minnesota resident. Zerby met his untimely end through an act of intentional glue sniffing. His life abruptly claimed by the toxic glue sold to him at the local coast-to-coast store. Chester L. Warren, the store owner, and Robert Deek, an employee, were listed as the defendants. In a desperate plea, the defendants attempted to shift liability onto the shoulders of Randy Rican, a mere 13 years old and Zerby's companion at the time of the fatal incident, who actually made the tragic purchase. More surprising was their move to involve the United States Plywood Corporation, the manufacturer of the deadly glue, in a third-party claim. The trial court, however, wasn't swayed, dismissing the third-party claims and placing the full weight of the law on the defendants. The controversial appeal, later launched by Warren and Deek, did nothing to shake the steadfast stance of the court. They firmly upheld the original ruling, insisting the case would continue to follow the trail of absolute liability due to the defendants' clear violation of state legislation. In a precedent-setting move, the court disallowed any defenses rooted in contributory negligence or assumption of risk. Third-party claims were swept aside as irrelevant distractions. Their claim for indemnity against the manufacturer was met with a steel wall. The court saw it as a blunt disregard for public morality, thus its dismissal on grounds of being contrary to public policy.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.